Hello guys, welcome to our channel Galaxy. Today we are going to learn some important points from the lesson 1 from social, which is our Earth. Now, Galaxy. What is Galaxy? Galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars and their solar systems. Means Galaxy is a huge collection where the gases, dust, stars, and the solar systems are included. Solar system. What is solar system? The solar system is a group of planets or celestial bodies that revolve around the sun. Which planet is nearest to the sun? Means Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. Larger group of stars are called as galaxy. And the larger group of stars are also called as star clusters. To complete one revolution, Earth takes 365 days. The largest latitude is equator, and the 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian. We know that 0 degree longitude is known as a prime meridian, and the other name of prime meridian is Greenwich meridian. The Earth travels around the sun at the speed of 67,000 miles per hour. Means here Earth is traveling at the speed of 67,000 miles per hour around the sun. Orbit, the curved path of a celestial body. Orbit, it is the curved path of a celestial body around a star, planet, or moon. Milky Way is a galaxy that includes our solar system. What is Milky Way? Milky Way is a galaxy that includes our solar system. Means which solar system? The solar system we are living. Here now we are going to learn some more points. The farthest point to the sun is called as aphelion. Means the farthest point means the farthest point means farthest means it means longest point to the sun is called as aphelion. The nearest point to the sun is called as perihelion. The Earth travels around the sun. We already learned this. The Earth travels around the sun at the speed of 67,000 miles per hour and also 107,200 kilometers per hour. The position of planet that are closest and farthest from the sun are called as aphelion and perihelion. Here there is a little mistake. Here there should be perihelion. Okay. The closest point of the closest point to the sun is 147 kilometers. The farthest point to the sun is 152 million kilometers. See here, the Earth's farthest point from the sun is called as 152 kilometers. Here, the farthest point of the sun is called as aphelion. Means the distance of aphelion from the sun is 152 million kilometers. And the nearest point to the sun is called as perihelion. Here, the Earth's closest point is known as measured at 147 million kilometers, and means a perihelion. The distance between Sun and perihelion is 147 million kilometers. The Earth began to form around 4.8 billion years ago. Means when did the Earth form? The Earth began to form 4.8 years, 4.8 billion years ago. Heliocentric theory was proposed by Nicolaus Copernicus. Big Bang. What is Big Bang? Huge explosion. And huge explosion is called as Big Bang. For more interesting videos, like, share, and subscribe our channel.